Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can add the 2024 New Year firework effect to your clips in CapCut. So in here, you just need to add a clip or maybe a photo, and after that, go straight to the effect on the CapCut. Click on the video effect, and then click on the 2024 category, and in here you'll see there are three options for fireworks effect: this firework 1, 2, and also firework 2024. So I'm going to just add a 2024 one. Just like that, it will be added to your clips. You can always adjust it more. You can adjust the size. You can adjust the vertical, horizontal, filter, speed, and also range. Okay, when you're done, just click on the check icon, and now you can see there are the firework has been added to the photo. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, leave a comment, and click on thanks. Bye.